Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says consider the statistics of two sets of observation as follows. So, observation is this, size is given. If the variance of the combined set of two observation is 17 by 9, then the value of n is. Okay, so first we will write down the formula. So, it is combined variance n1 variance 1 n2 variance 2 by n1 plus n2. Okay, then n1 n2 by n1 plus n2 whole square with mu1 minus mu2 square. Okay, so n1 is 10, so 10 times variance, so 10 2 plus n1 upon n1 plus 10. Okay, they did not mention the number of. Okay, let's go through it. So it is 10n 10 plus n whole square. Okay, and then mean 1 minus mean 2 square, so it is 1 square is 1, and variance is 17 by 9. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now look at this, how we will simplify things. So first we will take n plus 10 common. So we will be having 20 plus n plus 10n by 10 plus n. Okay, do the simplification part. It requires patience. Okay, so 17 by 9, 1 by n plus 10n, then we have 200, 20n, not 20n, this is n. This is correct. 20n, then 10n, then n square, then 10n by 10 plus n. Okay, this mazduri to you have to do. You cannot run away from this part. So just simplify the numerator part. So constant we have only one thing, 200, then 30n, 40n. Okay, it's 40n, then n square, then we have, this is not n, this is correct. So we have a square plus b square plus 2ab, 17 by 9, 17n square 1700. Okay, equals 1800 360n, then 9 square. Now I will ask everyone to come one side. So this is 9n square, so it will become 8n square. Now this 360 will come this side, so it will become minus of 40n. Okay, now this 1800 will come this side, so it will become 100. Now we will divide both sides by 4, so 2n square, then we can take, this is correct or wrong? No, so 18, so this side we will have 100. ठीक है, correct, this is correct. So we have divided both sides by 4, so it is 10 now, 10n, and then this is 25. Now let's solve this thing. So it is 50. No, 5, 5, 10. Mhm. So n will be equal to, I'll apply Sridharacharya rule. So minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. So 100, 400, 200 by 2a. Did I made any mistake? 360. This is 340. Here I made mistake. You're not able to factorize this thing properly. So this is 17 into 20, 34. Okay, so it is 340. Now ask everyone to come this side. Now this thing will be solved. So it will become 8n square. Then this is 20n. Then it is 100. Okay. Now I hope this time I won't make any mistake. So this time we'll divide by 4. So it is 2n square 5n 25. Okay. Now this is 25 into 2, 50. So 5 tens are 50. So 2n square, then 10n plus 5n minus 25. Now we will take 2n common from the first part, 5 common from the next part, and then we will have n minus 5. So I can say that the value of n is minus 5 by 2 or 5. You know that n is the number of members. Number of members cannot be in fraction as well as a negative number. So the required value of n is 5. I made a mistake once. So in this kind of questions, we can only make calculation errors. Okay, so please have little bit of patience, unlike me. Okay, and try to have multiple questions like these kind of situations. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.